Everybody, welcome to my episode of working with glass. Okay, in this episode I'm going to show you how to clean glass with the active glass cleaner. Okay, so the necessary equipment and materials we require. We've got a mirror. It's a normal 4mm old recycled piece of mirror. You can see it's dirty, it's full of scratch marks and areas that's damaged the glass or the mirror. Then I've got my active glass cleaner here from Wurth. As you can see, Wurth active glass cleaner. Okay, what it basically is, this is it's a cleaner that's basically foam based. It's non-silicone. If you apply it, you leave it for about a minute or so just to activate and do what it needs to do. Basically to clean the glass, and after that you'll basically just wipe it off with a cloth or a tissue. As you can see, there is a hazard, it's flammable, so please be aware. Please do not bring any sparks or matches or open fires close to the product. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it says here the application, you need to shake it well before use. Evenly spray from a short distance. Allowed to act for a short time. That's why I said about a minute or so. Or sorry, the focus just went out there. Or you could leave it for longer, then wipe it off with a clean dry paper or cloth. It also says do not use it on hot surfaces or in bright sunlight as well. It also says, as I mentioned, it does not contain silicone or AOX. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it's an active glass cleaner. You buy it from Wurth. Just going to put it on one side. You need some gloves. The gloves I'm just going to use to basically protect my skin and my hands from when rubbing the glass, maybe cutting the edges. The edges are a bit sharp, could cut my hand, and the foam, the chemicals used in this can also damage your skin if you use it more than once or continuously. Okay, then we've got our tissue here. This is also a Wurth product. It doesn't have the branding name on it, but you can also purchase it from Wurth. We use it to clean glass, clean windscreens, etc. You've got a PPE here, safety goggles, also a Wurth product, just to prevent any sparkles or some of this fluid that maybe ricochets, or basically when you spray it, it's in the air. Just to protect you that it doesn't go into your eyes. That will give you a burning effect. I just want to put on my goggles and my safety gloves. As I said, safety first. Over time, it does affect your skin, it does affect the eyes. So rather stick with safety. Okay, it's my piece of mirror. Just excuse that light, the background. What you need to do is you need to shake it very well. Shake it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Up and down. Twirl. Okay. So I'm just going to do the bottom side here, and then you'll basically see what happens now. There we go. As you can see, it's foaming up. This basically is the activation of the cleaning process. It gives off a nice scent as well, so it's got a nice smell to it. So you just basically wait for it to wear off. As you can see, the foam is busy evaporating. It doesn't take so long, so a minute is a bit too long, but yeah, I just work on a minute. It just gives you that extra effect to it. Okay, that's now about 20 seconds. 30 seconds. Well, as you can see, you can already see the difference on this piece here and up here. Here it's got a blurry effect to it. Already it's got a shine effect here. So already it's done its job here. Basically when we wipe it off and polish it a bit, you'll see a much greater effect to it on the cleaning. Okay, it seems like it's almost done now. I'm going to take the tissue paper and wipe it off, and then we're going to polish it. Okay, so I've wiped off the excess. I'm just going to polish it a bit. Make sure to turn around the tissue, not to use the dirt and dust and moisture and so on that you've wiped off that's sticking on the tissue to overlap it again. Rather swipe over the paper to areas we haven't used. So I'm just giving it a bit of a polish. This is a bit labor intensive, but yeah, if you want something done perfectly, it always adds up to work. Okay, as you can see here, you can see all the fingerprints, dust, scratch marks, even there, as you can see, there, all over here. And now look at the area where we've basically cleaned it. There's the line where the tissue stopped, as you can see there. So that's the old side. This is the side basically we've used the active glass cleaner of Wurth. Just want to show you again, active glass cleaner, Wurth product. It's a foam based, non-silicone, and that's basically your end result. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something about this product. We use it a lot. It's also good for windscreens, as you can see at the picture here at the bottom. And it also gives you that effect when it rains. The water just runs from the glass, not basically, how can I say this, obscuring the like there's a sticky effect or the glass is dirty. This basically just lets the moisture run off evenly. Okay, thank you guys.